truth and lies. Let's see who is able to find the truth, who is able to find the lies. Let's see who's ready. Okay, start. Okay, shoot.
The first one is I love cricket. Second is I love math, and the third is I love sleeping.
Okay, who wants to take
Can I
a
answer? Love cricket and sleeping, but he don't love uh,
maths?
math.
Okay, well,
Yes.
I think he loves maths and he also
And
loves
cricket,
cricket, but he
according their
doesn't like sleeping. I don't know. I could be wrong also, but I think third one is a lie. Okay, let's see what others have to say to make a guess.
Yes, ma'am. Third one is lie.
Third one is a lie.
Ma'am, third one is lie.
Okay, spill the beans.
Ma'am, you are correct. Third one is a lie.
Yes, third one is a
according to
lie.
their
You know, he was
I
thinking
I
about
love
it.
maths a
he
little.
is thinking about the third one is
Yes. But very well done. Very good. And I'm glad that you like maths. A lot of students don't like maths, so it's good to see.
No, ma'am, only little.
Only
Ma'am, only little, not so much.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I'm not going to ask you any maths question. Don't worry. Okay, now who is coming next?
yes, ma'am.
The first one I didn't hear. Sorry.
One is I like teaching, and second one is I like cooking, and third one is I like pizza.
Okay. So please guess the
Ma'am,
lie.
second one is a lie.
Second one is a
Second
lie.
one.
She likes cooking,
And
she
first one.
likes teaching, and she likes pizza. Okay. She said she likes teaching, she likes cooking, and
Yes, ma'am.
she likes pizza.
First one is a lie.
Ma'am, first one is wrong.
Okay.
Last one is
Last one.
Ma'am, first one
First one.
is a lie.
Please give us the answer. We are confused.
Ma'am, I am a teacher. I like teaching very much,
See?
and I like pizza also.
Oh,
I
don't
don't
like.
like little
Okay, good.
making food.
It's a winner! Very good. All right, now who's coming next? Who's next? Very quickly, we have to do this.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
For me,
go ahead.
I like to play sports,
Mm-hmm.
any sports, or I like to cooking, and so I
Second
often
one lie.
Look at
take
this.
Yes, second one is lie.
I often
Okay.
take some nap in the evening.
Okay, so what about the second one? Yes, I don't think you like cooking.
No, ma'am.
You don't. Yes, we got it right. Yes. Okay, let's hear it. Go ahead.
Ma'am, I like listen to music.
Okay.
I like traveling.
Mm-hmm.
I I, I love history subject.
Okay. So what's the guess? What do you think?
Ma'am, third one I think lie.
Third one is a lie. He doesn't like history. Okay, what about others?